reason we're actually here at UCLA is to eat pie at the Pie Festival. And if you're thinking who would drive all the way to UCLA just to have pie, a lot of people. I don't know what this line is for, but I hope it's not to like get a meal ticket or something, because it goes all the way to the end and all the way around the corner. Who's this? ¿Qué pasó? Hey, so how long were you in line for?
An hour. Right now it's the hour mark, more or less. We just got food, veggie bowl. We're gonna share it. There you go.
Thank you. That was good teamwork right there. They waited in line and I got the food. Now it's time to go try some of these pies. What's this festival about?
It's a Pie Fest contest. It hadn't been active for a while due to COVID. And Evan Kleinman, who's the host of Good Food with KCRW, brought it back this year. Around 2 slices per person, at least 2 slices.
Who's cooking the pie?
Community members, pie enthusiasts, small business owners, big business owners, everybody.
To me, it looks like a bunch of moms cooking their pies, and they look amazing. The pies go fast here. This whole row has already been taken up. No more raspberry chocolate? That's because you're in the first position. They got it all, and it looks so good. Well, like most of the pies are gone.
I know.
We gotta squeeze in here. Come on. You know what this reminds me of? You know when you're at the park and you throw, there's a bunch of pigeons and you throw them bread and they all scramble for it and squeeze in?
Where the pigeons?
We're the pigeons.
We're sheeple.
And this is the bread. That looks good. I want the chocolate pies. Any more left?
I don't see any more.
There's hardly anything. There's hardly any pies left. Way more people than there are pies left. That kind of looks like chocolate, but she's surrounded, and there's no way I'm gonna get over these tables in time.
There's only like 2 pies left on this table, and there's like all these people.
And we're pretty much stuck. Maybe we go to the other tent. We go to the other tent?
Yeah, but like we can't move. Like we're stuck.
Imagine trick-or-treating, but there's 3 times the amount of trick-or-treaters than there are candy. That's the situation. I maybe found a chocolate one, or it could be a raspberry, I don't really know, but hopefully I get a slice. Karina! We've been separated by the people. What'd you get?
Apple pie.
Is it good?
Yeah. Okay. Really good.
That's really good. Really good. Good job. Did you have to show a ticket or no? No?
Because it was like the leftover.
So that whole waiting in 2 hours for no point?
I mean, we made it in. So.
Getting closer to the chocolate raspberry looking one, but nobody else is grabbing it, which is making me wonder. Wow, that's so good. That was so good. There, get in line. Pro tip, when coming to the Pie Festival, don't wait in the line to get the plates, but bring a plate and a fork, and you're good to go on your own. You didn't hear that from me. It's not chocolate, but it is pecans.
There actually is chocolate in it.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
Oh, there is chocolate in it. It's good? Can I get one? Thank you. Thank you. The last piece. Woo! What got you into pie making?
I don't know. I just like doing it.
And is this like your special recipe?
It's a family recipe. We just make it for holidays, the pecan one.
Chocolate pecan pie is amazing. Really good. This is lemon meringue pie?
And this is an apple pie over here.
Cool. Thank you. Is this your specialty?
This is my brother's specialty. He's an amazing pie guy.
Oh, awesome.
Yes, during the pandemic, he learned how to do all his pies.
Yeah.
And he is an expert now. This is the blueberry.
There we go. Thank you so much.
Is this your specialty?
No.
One of them.
Yes.
Somebody's palace.
Oh, thank you. I wish it wasn't so soupy. It just looks like cherry soup.
Thank you so much.
All right. Now I kind of know why they. Oh, do I got? Now I kind of know why they only let you have 2 pieces per person, technically, because these are actually quite fattening, and I feel pretty stuffed right now. So I got lemon meringue pie. I kind of got it for the 3 of us to try, but now they don't want it.
Well,
Do you want this?
hold on. We have to sit down and share. I'm looking for Marita. We're gonna share all of them, but that one looks like.
It's good.
Is it?
Hey, you pie girls. You know what you do with pie that you don't want to eat anymore? In the face. There's no proper pie festival without a pie in the face.
Yeah, I'm gonna paella you.
Hey, you know what you are? You're my sweetie pie.
Not your cutie pie.
You're my cherry pie.
You're my banana pie. You need tea.
You need tea? Yeah.
Or coffee.
Yeah. So did you have 3.14 slices of pie? You get it?
That's a very mathematician joke.
Ah, you got
I
it.
did.
And it was a maple pecan pie, and it was the classic pecan pie. If you wanted to have a slice, now
They just announced the winning pie. It was a maple pecan pie. 3rd place was pomegranate and dates. That sounds good.
Very good. And very unique. You know, like pecan pie is normal, but I feel like it's nice to try the different flavor profiles.
And the #1 award goes to the caddy pie.
The sweetie pie.